how to use QuickBooks to file taxes. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to file taxes in QuickBooks. So it's actually very simple. Over here, as you can see on our dashboard, you can look over here on the left side, we have our different menus. So over here, we have the option taxes. So if you click on taxes over here, we are actually able to see, as you can see, have a setup over here. So what you're going to do to be able to use the taxes option or feature in QuickBooks is you're simply going to enter your business address and then add who to pay and when, then see exactly what you need to collect right on the invoice, then uh, use the one-click e-filing to quickly send your tax return. So you can click on set up VAT over here and then simply set up all the different information that are going to be required of you, such as start of taxation period, the filing frequency, and then of course your TIN number over here. I can't really, so let's click on OK over here. Simply over here, as you can see. Now what we could do is we could customize our invoice after this. And now whenever we're entering something in our invoice, it will be automatically integrated and computed and stuff like that. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.